Start by finding a comfortable and quiet space, free from distractions. As you settle into your space, whether it's sitting or laying down, take a few moments to center yourself. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath, taking slow and deep inhalations through the nose and exhaling gently through the mouth. Let go of any tension in your body, allowing your muscles to relax. Clear your mind of any thoughts or worries and simply be present in this moment. Let go of expectations and judgment and allow yourself to fully be present with the words that will follow. Be open to the experience and let your heart and mind be receptive to the positive energy and affirming words you will hear. I am deserving of abundance and prosperity in all areas of my life. I am open to receiving wealth and abundance from various sources. I am a magnet for positive opportunities that lead to prosperity. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me and flows to me. I am worthy of achieving financial freedom and success. I am abundant in my thoughts, actions, and beliefs. I am grateful for the abundance that comes to me every day. I am worthy of living a life of abundance and prosperity. I am financially abundant and my prosperity continues to expand. I feel confident in my ability to create unlimited abundance in my life. I feel a deep sense of satisfaction on my journey to prosperity. I feel inspired to take bold actions that lead to financial prosperity. I feel supported by the universe as I embrace a life of abundance. I feel at peace with money and its role in my life. I feel connected to the infinite abundance of the universe. I feel excited about limitless possibilities that abundance brings. I feel at ease with money and welcome it into my life with love. I feel prosperous in all areas of my life, including health, wealth, and relationships. I love attracting prosperity and wealth with my positivity and joy. I do welcome abundance and prosperity into my life with open arms. I do cultivate an abundant mindset that attracts positive opportunities. I do believe in my capacity to manifest abundance and prosperity. I do release any thoughts of scarcity and embrace a mindset of plenty. I do envision a life filled with financial freedom and prosperity. I do take inspired actions that pave the way for increased abundance. I do attract and welcome financial success into every endeavor I create. I do have faith in my worthiness to receive and enjoy abundance. I do thrive in all aspects of my life. I love nurturing a sense of prosperity in all aspects of my life. I love celebrating the financial success that comes my way. I love attracting abundance by aligning with the energy of the universe. I love that I'm a powerful creator of my abundant reality. I love welcoming prosperity into every aspect of my life. I love releasing any limiting beliefs that hinders my financial success. I love that abundance is my birthright and my natural state. I love the excitement of living a life filled with abundance and prosperity. I speak positively about my financial growth and success. I speak confidently about my ability to attract and create wealth. I speak affirmations that draw abundant opportunities towards me. I speak abundance into every area of my personal and professional life. I speak words that attract prosperity and collaborations into my relationships. I speak affirmations that amplify my power to create abundance. I speak my visions for abundance, inspiring them to become reality. I speak words of abundance and prosperity into my life. I speak abundance and prosperity over me because it is my birthright. I see opportunity for abundance all around me. I see my financial situation improving day by day. I see a future filled with abundance and wealth. I see the value in aligning my thoughts with abundance. I see the potential for unlimited growth and prosperity within me. I see a path paved with opportunities that lead to financial success. I see myself as a magnet for wealth and prosperity. I see abundance flowing to me like a never-ending stream. I see the beauty in embracing a mindset of abundance. I understand that prosperity flows to me when I align with it. I understand that my mindset influences my capacity to create wealth. I understand that I have the power to manifest financial success. I understand that abundance is a reflection of my inner state. I understand that my peers do not dictate my future for prosperity. I understand that my worthiness is not defined by my financial status. I understand that prosperity is multidimensional and includes joy and love. I understand that prosperity is a journey of growth and self-discovery. I understand my relationship with abundance is an ongoing process. As you continue your day, remember how important your health is. Take a moment to appreciate the care you give to your body, mind, and spirit. Let positive vibes be your guide to a full life of energy and happiness. Here's to your ongoing wellness, creating a positive vibe that brightens up your life and the lives of those you touch.